Boom, hey internets. 4 fashion vloggers you need to be following right now for your clothing brand trending. Let's talk about it. Clothing brand mentor Jon Phenom. I've worked in apparel development for over 24 years, working my way up from apparel designer all the way to a creative director and a brand director of a multi-million-dollar company. Okay, first one, personal friend of mine, Francis Kenneth. Francis is a military veteran. He's a fellow Filipino. He's a musician. He tracks the latest in fashion and also does a lot of vlogs about food. So you could follow his adventures and travels and get some new looks. Also, Francis was a guest on my Mix Global show, New Energy. Check that out for free on mix.global. Also, if you want to know a little bit more about FK, we actually did a sit-down interview. You might want to check that out. Next one I think you got to follow is Costa Flix, my boy Nick Urteaga. Now, I've actually never met this brother, but just from his social media, I feel like he's someone I grew up with. And to be honest, I love the way he flexes his style for some of the bigger boys out there. Nick does not have your typical look and your typical profile for a model. And it's important because no one really looks like a runway model. One of the greatest things of his social for me is he'll do challenges suggested by his followers. It's great to see the diversity in a lot of different ways. He's not just highlighting couture or high-end brands. He's coming down to everyday brands and everyday retail that you might shop at and show you how to put the outfits together. Number 3 is Wes Califa. Wes is a friend of mine as well, and I believe Wes's look is more of a traditional profile. So his silhouette is very versatile to try on a lot of different looks. Many times he has his daughter on his Instagram, and I do love how a lot of fashion vloggers will mix their real life and real family into their content. The 4th handle is Jeff Yamazaki. Jeff literally infuses his Instagram with vlogs that are numbered. So in essence, you get fashion that's in action or it's moving in real life. Because you follow him throughout this journey with the different outfits that he's wearing, it actually gives a true practicality to the looks that he puts together. It's literally IRL. In any case, before the internet, when we would do research on garments, it would usually just be catalogs and actually shopping at different retail and in different cities. Now you get to have entertainment of a real person in a vlog while you're watching any one of these fashion vloggers. And there are many coming up, so I'm gonna add more to this list, but these are 4 you should start with for fashion vloggers. Questions for your brand, you can email me here. All your clothing brand solutions at CBA. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.